The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue represents a significant departure from Ferrari's traditional lineup, marking the esteemed automaker's foray into the high-performance SUV segment. Ferrari has carefully engineered the Purosangue to maintain the brand's core principles of speed, agility, and exclusivity while adapting to the growing demand for luxury utility vehicles. At its heart lies a formidable 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing an impressive 715 horsepower and 528 pound-foot of torque. This powertrain enables the Purosangue to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of 193 miles per hour, figures that place it firmly within Ferrari's performance benchmarks despite its SUV classification. Such specifications reaffirm Ferrari's commitment to uncompromised driving dynamics, even in a vehicle designed for greater practicality. Aesthetically, the Purosangue embodies a harmonious blend of aerodynamic efficiency and luxurious refinement. The exterior design is both functional and evocative, featuring sculpted lines that enhance airflow while maintaining the brand's signature elegance. Notably, Ferrari has integrated rear-hinged coach doors, facilitating easier rear seat access without compromising the coupe-like silhouette. The interior, meticulously crafted with the finest materials, accommodates 4 individual bucket seats, reflecting a balance between sportiness and comfort. From a technological standpoint, the Purosangue introduces an advanced adaptive suspension system that employs electric motors to minimize body roll, ensuring superior handling characteristics reminiscent of Ferrari's traditional sports cars. This innovation, combined with a highly responsive all-wheel drive system, allows for precise cornering and exceptional stability, even under demanding driving conditions.